Giraffe and Fetch rewards are built around completely different habits, so the better long-term choice depends on whether you're willing to keep playing games, or whether you'd rather earn from purchases you're already making. By the end of this video, you'll know which app is easier to stick with over time, what each one expects from you, and which is likely to fit your daily routine better. Here's the short answer. Giraffe is usually the stronger long-term option for people who regularly play mobile games. Fetch rewards is usually the better long-term choice for people who shop consistently and don't want to spend extra time earning rewards. Let's start with Giraffe. The app rewards gameplay. You install eligible games through Giraffe, launch them using the tracked installation, and continue earning as you reach qualifying milestones or spend eligible time playing. Long-term success depends on whether you genuinely enjoy mobile games. If gaming is already part of your free time, using the app can become a natural habit instead of an extra task. Now compare that with Fetch rewards. Fetch rewards centers around shopping instead of gaming. After making eligible purchases, you scan your receipt through the app or use supported account connections where available. The earning process takes only a short time because you're recording purchases you've already made rather than completing separate activities. This creates two very different experiences. Giraffe asks for your time. The more consistently you play eligible games, the more opportunities you have to keep earning rewards. If you stop gaming, your earning activity also slows down. Fetch rewards asks for your receipts. If you're already buying groceries, household items, or other everyday products, earning becomes part of your existing shopping routine, instead of something you schedule separately. Long-term value also depends on consistency. Someone who enjoys mobile gaming for months is likely to stay active on Giraffe. Someone who rarely plays games, but shops every week, is more likely to keep using Fetch rewards, because it requires very little change to existing habits. So which app wins? Choose Giraffe if mobile gaming is already one of your regular hobbies. Choose Fetch rewards if you want rewards tied to everyday shopping instead of screen time. The better long-term app isn't the one with the flashiest offers. It's the one you'll still be using months from now because it fits naturally into your routine. The key takeaway is simple. Giraffe rewards ongoing gameplay, Fetch rewards everyday shopping, and the best long-term choice depends on which habit you're more likely to maintain. If this comparison helped, like the video, subscribe for more app comparisons, and check out the next guide.